This experiment and procedure is called diluting iodine, okay? So, like I was talking about the 100% source, what that says and what I'm telling you is, guys, is that it's 100% of glucose or 100% bleach. It is what it is, 100%. It's not diluted. Right here in cabinet 1 I got this from is the Lugols solution. And we have two types of iodine. We have the Lugols solution, which is Lugols iodine for enzymes and saliva bench, and we have Graham's iodine, which is the iodine used for mystery microbes, okay? Now keep that in mind when you're doing this experiment. These 3 bottles right here are already diluted. They're also located in cabinet 1. This Lugols iodine is also already diluted. It is also located in cabinet 1, all right? Now, when you're looking at these bottles and you're like, what are they? What are they? Well, they're still 10% Lugols iodine. The same for this. Now, we're going to actually dilute the actual 100% solution into 10% Lugols iodine. My materials I have here is the cylinder, the 100% Lugols iodine, as well as the funnel, as well as I got my gloves. Why am I in this area is because this is where we're supposed to be when we're working with stains. As you guys can see, this filter paper is messed up with some stains. Always have your gloves when you're working with the type of experiment that has to do with stains or chemicals or powder or anything like that, okay? Now, with this experiment, we also need our distilled water right here over here in the corner, but we're not going to worry about that. We're going to worry about placing 10% of our Lugols solution, okay? Now, how do we do that? Well, first we got to open the Lugols solution, place our funnel into our cylinder. Now, there's 2 ways I'm okay for you guys to do this. You can use the cylinder, you can use the funnel, right, and use a pipette and spray some, place some in here, or just simply use the whole jug and place some solution into the cylinder. Now what you got to do is that you want to stop at 10 milliliters of solution. Alright? What I'm going to do is I'm just going to use the pipette, go down until I go to 10 milliliters, because this is a 100 milliliter cylinder. And I believe I'm almost there. Nope. Wait. Yeah, there we go. I'm there. Okay, that's that. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to remove my funnel. I'm going to pretty much go over here by the distilled water, and I'm going to make sure it goes all the way to 100, and I stop. And this is how you make 10% Lugols solution. After and once you're done, just simply add it to the jug here. Bam! Lugols solution done. Place your materials away, wash your hands, all done.